The government has told private doctors to seek the advice of Clinical Research Malaysia, which is under the Health Ministry, if they were interested in conducting clinical trials on Ivermectin, a controversial drug touted as a cure for COVID-19. National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency Director Dr. Rosiahati Muhammad Sani said CRM would help general practitioners determine the feasibility of clinical trials. For regulatory requirements, they are required to refer to the Malaysian guidelines for the application of clinical trial import license and clinical trial exemptions, she said. A CTIL allows applicants to import unregistered products for the use of clinical trials, and a CTX is required if an applicant wants to produce a new drug for clinical trials. Rosiahati said CRM would give its assessment of the feasibility of clinical trials on Ivermectin within 14 working days. The Malaysian Pharmacists Society and the Malaysian Medical Association recently expressed concern over the widespread sale of Ivermectin throughout the country and said studies had shown that the certainty on the effectiveness of the drug on COVID-19 was low. Dr. Koh Kah Chai, the incoming MMA president, said there was a need to create greater awareness among GPs that Ivermectin had not been consistently proven to manage COVID-19. He said while doctors have the option for off-label use of the drug if they wanted to do so for clinical trials, they would have to bear the consequences of any adverse effect on their patients. Ivermectin has attracted international attention following several case studies and clinical trials that showed promising results in treating COVID-19, but the World Health Organization has not recommended it for use outside of such trials. In June, the Health Ministry said hospitals were allowed to apply to the Drug Control Authority to use Ivermectin for off-label use, including for the treatment of COVID-19 patients.